This is your first digital signal processing lab experiment, and the aim of this experiment is basic digital signal processing program. In this experiment, we started about different types of signal. First signal is unit step. You know unit step defined by u of n equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for n less than or equal to 0, and this is the corresponding diagram for unit step. Here the value of unit step is 1 and the corresponding output is this. Now the second signal is unit ramp. Unit ramp defined by r of n equal to n for n greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for n less than or equal to 0, and this is the corresponding diagram for ramp. And third signal is impulse. Impulse defined by delta n of equal to 1 for n equal to 0 and 0 for n not equal to 0, and the corresponding diagram for impulse response is this. And fourth one is exponential sequence. Exponential sequence x of n equal to a to the power n for all n. And this is the corresponding diagram for exponential signal. Now we will perform this experiment using MATLAB. So for that reason, you first open the MATLAB and then go in new or script file. After clicking over new script file, we will get one editor window. In this window, we will write the program. Here first of all write clear all, close all, and then corresponding write the whole program like this. Okay. After completion of the program, you just press over the run button and then get the corresponding output. This is the corresponding output for unit step. In this experiment, we will use ones. Ones means 1 by 1 matrix. Here unit step signal output will be 1. Then for that reason we will use ones. And for printing the signal we will use stem command. In this stem command defined it shows the amplitude of the signal with one circle over the signal. For that reason, in the output side we will get the signal, and every signal will got one circle over the signal. Okay. The next program is ramp. In the ramp signal we will write the same corresponding program. Just write the program in the same way, and the command used for ramp program is same, and then you press over the run button, will got the ramp output. And the next signal is impulse. For impulse response, we will write the program in the same way, and we will got the impulse response. Here in this program, we will write first clear and close all, and corresponding time defined -10 to +10 incremented by 1, and x defined the corresponding definition of how to define a impulse response. In this program we will first make 0 this part. For that reason we will write zeros 1, 10. Zeros defined a matrix which zeros the amplitude of 1 to 10. First -10 to 0, and then will show the output 1 at 1 or at 0, zeros at 0, it shows the output 0. So for that reason we will write ones 1, 1, and then corresponding will zeros the second part of the time domain. So for that you write 1, 10, and then you write stem signal for printing the output, and this way we got the output of the impulse. The fourth signal is exponential signal. In this exponential we write the same way and then press over the run, and we got the output.